unique Dino Fusion! Yeah! This disc, a cool belt. This thing, super helmet on. Dino Master, Ultra D Buster!
Remember Master Barian's words. Only a pure heart can defeat Darkno. Rex has a child's innocence.
Yeah, Spiky Soar! Bring it on! Headbutt! Spider, help me!
Yes, Master. Fire breath.
Rexy! This egghead's really lost it now. Look at his lame pizza delivery cars.
Hey, a pizza delivery car?
They're not just pizza delivery cars. They're pizza Dinocore, yeah. Dinocore? You come up with that yourself? Yeah, They did. I think it's the name of their destroyed planet or something. And you know what else? They came in on a rocket ship. It was like, pew! And then they landed. And now they fight mech dinos who turn evil! A planet of dinosaurs and a spaceship?
Cool, man.
Let's go, Ted.
Coming.
Rex isn't just dumb. He's making things up now. The science fair doesn't count imaginary friends. Personal space!
So is the ship real? Oh, John. Weren't you listening?
Yeah! Let's go there right now!
Oh, me too! I want to see the spaceship. Move!
Insulting! We are not pizza delivery cars. We are warriors.
Saber, he meant no harm.
We are protectors of the universe. Why would he call us that?
If I had to guess, probably because we delivered pizza yesterday.
Enough. Enjoy being degraded to a delivery vehicle.
Wait, Saber, come on.
It isn't you. Saber misses Master Barian. I don't believe he trusts Rex yet to be the new master. In the meantime, I'll follow Rex. You talk to Saber.
Right, I will.
Whoa, it really is a spaceship.
See? I told you.
It's all right, I guess.
Come on, you guys. Let's go inside.
It's probably dirty. Is space dirty?
I found it at last. Barian's ship. Eliminating it shall be the first step in conquering Earth.
See? Isn't it amazing?
What's this do? What happens if I... Oh, the ship must not work. Huh? Hey, what'd I do?
Beats me.
That is the Dino book. It contains all known information on mech dinos and our planet.
It's a book?
Our tome of wisdom. Our planet's bread and butter, if you will.
Huh. Okay.
Not really bread and butter, Rex.
Oh, I knew
It's
that.
fine. The book's indestructible.
Ugh. Books are your thing. John, you are gonna be Dino Book Master.
Really? So amazing! Rex, what do I get? Jelly.
What's that? The Dino Tuner's alarm?
Saber, we need to go back to the ship with the rest.
Go deliver a pizza.
Hey now.
Huh? I sense
A mech dino!
Ultradon. I'm sure he's here for Barion's ship.
Is that all he wants? Just take it!
No, stop! It has the Dinocore operating system.
Ha! Dino Master Rex got this easy! Ultra D Buster Union!
We can't. Stego and Saber aren't here.
Don't panic!
Okay, so what
Master,
do I do?
make a level 2 union.
Sure! Tyranno, let's do what you said! Dino Disc Go! Tuning Startup! Level 2 Union! Fusion D! Tyranno! Fire Breath!
Fire breath.
John, the Dino book! What does it say about Mech Dino weaknesses?
Oh, good idea!
I'ma kick you in the face! Oh, bad plan! Huh? What's he doing? Oh, what's happening?
Rex!
Whoa, John! What's up?
It's a Dino book feature.
Wow!
Listen, the Dino book says, do you mind that Dimetrodons have giant fins and they can deflect attacks?
See me? Hi, Max! Oh, deflect attacks!
Don't worry, we're here.
Awesome! Now we can do this! Tuning Startup!
What's happening?
Aw, what'd I do this time? Why isn't it working? Come on!
Saber and Stego's core gauges are real low. You can't unite.
What? They ran out of power? Aw, no one told me that could happen. This is hard.
Don't worry, I'm sure Rex has a plan.
I told you, he is no Dino Master.
It's not his fault. It's yours, Saber. If we don't work together and trust Rex completely, we can't make an Ultra D union.
Enough! It's fine. Let's just punch him or something.
It can also use camouflage.
We should help.
Right.
Lightning beam!
Oh, John is, wow. It's,
Ah! Saber!
Hey, you can't just come to someone's planet and blast them. Not cool.
Stego! Don't let him get away!
Gravity hold!
Rex, the disc!
You can defeat him with the disc.
Whatever you say. Let's go for it. Tuning Start Up.
Igniting Pachycephalosaurus.
Oh yeah. You had this coming, Dimension. Mech Dino. Headbutt of Justice. the Dinocore rock!
Saber, Stego, you must understand. Rex does respect us as warriors, not just as pizza vehicles.
And now, let's go make delivery!
I won't stand for this!
Rex,
Saber,
isn't your
relax.
dad's restaurant closed?
Ah! Oh no! Ah! I forgot I was supposed to help him! Oh.
We might have other things to worry about, though.
What else is there, huh? Oh, that. I don't know. Can we leave it here?
I know! Let me take care of it from now on. I'll make it the cutest ship there ever was.
It seems the Dinocore have a weakness.
Perfect! This'll work. Thank you! See you soon!
You're welcome. See ya.
Daddy! You moved the spaceship! Thanks so much! I love you!
Oh, Emily, anything for you.
Spaceship move!
Delivery time! Oh, Emily!
Hey, Rex! Wanna check out the spaceship with
Duty
me?
calls! But when I'm done, see, after this delivery, I'm training to be a great Dino Master. So now, we're off!
Train hard, I'll be here!
See you after training! Okay, we can do this! Level 5 Union! Who knew this would be so hard?
Saber, you okay?
No, I'm not. Rex's training is getting us nowhere.
Saber, a true Dino warrior must trust the Master and the Core.
Oh, why isn't this working? Swoosh, fly, and latch. Then what? You swoosh, fly, latch, and unite? It's just not happening. But why not? This approach is just not working. We must find another way. Dinocore, follow me!
Yes, Master.
Another way? Not with him. Stego, let's train on our own.
Without the master?
What master? I'm out.
But can he really find a new way?
You think I'm great? That's so sweet! Thanks, Rex. Huh?
So, where did Rex go? Hey, what did I do?
You scared me half to death! And why do you look so weird today?
It's because I've been up all night.
Is that true? No wonder you look like that.
Rex trusted me with the Dino book, and he's counting on me. Burn.
Well, Rex trusts me with the ship.
Saber? Saber! Where did he go? Hey, Saber!
Don't need anyone. Gonna get strong by myself. Yeah!
Hey, Saber!
Where did Rex go? Huh? Rex? Hey, Rex! Hey! Tyranno, have... Ah! Let Rex go! Rex, I'll save you!
Master!
Rex! Why do you look so funny today?
Quiet! You know that I was up reading. But why on earth were you in Tyranno's mouth?
Master felt he needed to.
I was curious.
Take a look. I want to show you. Huh? But what's happening?
Don't worry, John. It shut down because the battery is dead. We'll charge it at the spaceship.
Then I'll show you once it's charged. Gotta run. I'll find you when it's all set.
Victory will soon be mine.
Now, where do I charge this?
You could plug it in by the control lever.
Whoa! Stego, you got me.
Sorry. I was just trying to help.
And you did. But Stego, why are you here alone?
Saber ran off. 'Cause Tyranno and Rex are doing this weird training. And now I'm not sure what to do.
Rex is hard to figure out. You guys must be going nuts. He never remembers when you make plans, but then remembers crazy stuff. Sometimes he'll be whining, then suddenly laughing.
John?
Huh?
Why do you follow Rex?
'Cause he's my friend.
Friend?
Yeah, of course. Rex can be confusing, but he's always fun. And when it really counts, he knows how to be a good friend.
What is, a friend?
A friend is someone you trust. Friends stand by each other in good times and bad.
A friend must care.
Oh, it looks like it's done. Now then, let's go find Rex. I wonder where Rex went.
Huh?
Whoa!
A mech dino! Pentaceratops!
Lightning beam! I'll take care of him. Electric drive! Hey! You better put me down! I won't ask twice!
Saber? Huh? It says Pentaceratops first shoots rays that make its opponent dizzy, then attacks with its horns while its victim is defenseless. Ah!
Stone plate barrier!
Rex, where are you? A mech dino's here.
I saw. I'm headed there now. Tyranno, let's go!
You okay, Stego? You can't keep this up.
But if I don't, you'll get hurt!
Stego!
Stone plate barrier!
Remember what I said? Even when things get hard, friends stick together.
John?
Tuning! Dino Fusion! Dino Master Rex is here!
Again! You're late again!
Come on! You know when it counts, you can count on me!
Rex! He's not finished yet!
Huh? Dino Master Rex is here! Charge!
Rex, watch out for the rays!
Take it! Fire breath! Oh, why am I so dizzy?
It's the effect of the rays!
Must be why my head is spinning.
Oh, so dizzy.
Hey, Rex! Snap out of it!
Saber, what are you doing up there?
Never mind me! If the Dino Master wavers, the Dinocore are powerless. Focus!
Snap out of it. Focus.
Rex, look out! No, Rex! How can I help? Stego!
Let's stand by each other no matter what. Now trust me.
What's happening?
Level 3 Union Disc. Level 3 Union. Tuning start!
Stego ignition.
Mega D-Buster!
Wow! Level 3 Union Mega D-Buster! Rex, use the Dimetrodon disc.
If you combine that with Stego, you can deflect its attack.
Okay, tuning ignition!
Ignition.
Dimetro barrier!
Absorb the rays and reflect them back! Good! And for our final move, attack mode! Change! Pillar of light piercing through darkness! Dimetro barrier! How'd you like that?
Good job! Yeah! Stego, you were great! But are you hurt?
No, I'm okay, my friend.
What are you talking about? We're all friends, guys! Now let's learn level 5 Union! Time to get to work!
What do you mean? It's you, Dino Master, who needs work.
That's so... Good morning, everyone! It's a brand new day for me to be awesome!
Except it's a lunchtime.
Whoa, hey, Dad! You scared me! Hey, are those pizzas that you need me to deliver?
Rex, please don't get distracted again.
Come on, Dad! I don't even know what that word means. Really, I don't.
It's a world domination.
One pizza at a time! Be back in a jiff!
Yup, just a one pizza at a time.
Hello?
Rex, where are you?
Just being the pizza master. You?
Dude! Did you completely forget? We're meeting at the museum today.
John, give me that. Hi, Rex. Hurry up. We're waiting.
About the poop fossil. Rex, come on. They have fossilized T-Rex poop. This is not a drown.
What? T-Rex poop, huh? On my way! Rex booster on! Huh? What's that? Huh? Ah! 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 This isn't the road. Okay. Huh? Wait! Hello? Come on, let me out! Tiger Rex! Oh, is this jail? Oh, a floating dinosaur toy? Whoa! Hey there! Not okay! Hello?
Tyranno, fire!
Saber, lightning!
And Stego, Earth! Dinocore Warriors! You have the Dino Tuner, Dino Master.
Dino Tuner? This, huh?
That is correct, Dino Master Rex.
This is great! Now I'm the Dino Master, and we're gonna rule the world or something!
Rex, Earth is in danger!
There is an evil force at work named Darkno.
Darkno has already taken our home, Dino Planet. Listen, we must work together.
To save our planet.
And protect the universe.
We are ready, Rex!
There they are.
This is way too awesome! Huh? What's it? Is that my alarm? Oh man, am I sleeping?
The tuner's warning! No!
Whoa! Did you do that?
It's one of Darkno's mech dinos.
They used to be like us, but were corrupted by dark energy.
Warn me!
My shield will protect you when we travel at high speeds, Master.
Yeah! So great! Super cool! Dinocore! So are your wheels like your hands or what? Why is that egg so angry? Huh? Emily? John, what are you doing?
Check it out! This fossil has your face on it!
I thought it was a honeycomb.
Yeah, but look at this.
Huh? What are those?
My new minions! And look, an egg!
Whoa! What on earth is that? Rex, what have you done now?
Hey, go! That egg's dangerous!
Yes, Master.
Yes! Ha! Go back to the space chicken you came from! Woohoo! Yeah! Sorry, I didn't mean that! No way!
Rex, I am Dino Master Barian.
Barian?
I was the previous owner of the Dino Tuner. Using the Dino Tuner, you can unite their core powers.
No way! This seems really hard, and do I have to do math, or...
Never fear. I will help.
Ah!
Rex, I am in control for now. Tyranno, Saber, Stego, unite!
Yes, Master!
Level 5 Union. Tuning, start up. Ultra Dino Fusion.
Wow, I have no idea what's going on, but I feel so tall. Or, you know, we're tall. And, it's coming back. Those pizzas are gonna be really late.
Rex, focus.
It's pointy! Are we doing this right? What is this thing? Oh, this is gonna be so cool if I survive!
ready. Core change!
Yes, Master!
Core change?
DinoCores' powers can be maximized this way. Watch carefully, Rex. Core change!
Initiate Saber.
Core change Saber. Saber's specialty is speed. Sonic dash.
Whoa, this is dangerous and awesome!
Core change Stego. Stego's shield can deflect attacks. Energy barrier.
Wow, couldn't we have done that sooner?
Core change Tyranno.
He's low on energy. We're almost there.
That's it. Just one last hit.
Blaze Clash.
The flame of justice. Blaze Clash. When a mech dino loses their dark energy, they become a dino disc. With these discs, we can learn even stronger moves in battle. It's up to you to lead the Dinocore and destroy the darkness. Rex, it's now your duty to...
That's gross! Don't talk about my duty! I'm the Dino Master! John, Emily, did you see that? I was inside a dinosaur!
He was chosen for his innocence and open mind.
An open mind can be corrupted.
You're right. But that's why I trust you three. Guide him down the path of good.
Master!
Hey, where's that dude?
Master Barian has left us. Now you must listen.
So he left me in charge of Earth? Darkno, you're going down! And that's why the deliveries were late today.
My boy, this is amazing. You brought back delivery vehicles, and they provide security. It's the first useful thing you've done. All right, that can be our new shtick, Dino Pizza Delivery. Isn't it great?
Cool! Hey, Dad, now that we have these guys, world domination one pizza at a time. Pizzas for everyone!
You think we should be worried about that?
I think they mean world domination by, say, a franchise.
Dino Master Rex, let's go!
A new Dino Master. Well, not for long.